The 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan is more than just a luxury SUV, it's a rolling statement of wealth, craftsmanship, and pure automotive indulgence. When Rolls-Royce decided to enter the SUV world back in 2018, there was skepticism. But now, with the 2025 Cullinan, any doubts have been obliterated. This isn't just a luxury SUV, this is the ultra-luxury benchmark that others dream of matching. From the outside, the Cullinan maintains its bold, square-jawed design, instantly recognizable and unapologetically massive. It's the kind of vehicle that doesn't need to scream to turn heads, it just cruises by in quiet confidence, with the spirit of ecstasy leading the way. For 2025, subtle refinements have sharpened the look. The grille is a touch more sculpted, the lighting signature slightly more dramatic, and there are new paint options that shimmer like liquid metal. It's not flashy in the traditional sense, it's powerful, commanding, and impossibly elegant. Open those majestic rear-hinged coach doors and you're not just stepping into an SUV, you're entering a private lounge on wheels. The interior is a masterclass in bespoke craftsmanship. Rolls-Royce offers practically endless customization, from hand-stitched leather in any color imaginable to rare wood veneers sourced from all corners of the globe. The 2025 Cullinan pushes the envelope with even more sustainable materials and tech-integrated luxury. The infotainment system now features a sharper interface, voice controls that actually understand what you're saying, and connectivity that feels futuristic but never intrusive. The rear seats, arguably the best seats in the house, are where this SUV truly flexes its luxury credentials. You can opt for a rear lounge seat or individual thrones with massaging, ventilation, and even a built-in champagne cooler. And with the viewing suite, 2 leather-wrapped chairs and a cocktail table emerge from the tailgate so you can enjoy the world in total comfort, whether it's a sunset or a polo match. But don't be fooled by all the comfort and elegance. Under the hood is a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine producing 600 horsepower and enough torque to make this nearly 3-ton beast feel weightless. The ride is, in classic Rolls-Royce style, what they call the magic carpet experience. The air suspension reads the road ahead and makes adjustments in real time, smoothing out potholes, bumps, and even the laws of physics. It glides rather than drives. This isn't a car for those who want to corner hard or blast through twisties. It's for those who want to arrive via in absolute silence, comfort, and unmatched presence. And yet, if needed, the Cullinan will tackle rough terrain without hesitation. It has an all-wheel drive system, off-road modes, and enough ground clearance to conquer sand dunes or snow-covered estates. It's a Rolls that doesn't fear the unbeaten path. Rolls-Royce also pushes tech integration discreetly. You won't find massive screens shouting for attention. Instead, displays are cleverly hidden behind glass panels that blend into the dash. The 2025 model includes advanced driver assistance feature, reset adaptive cruise, lane keep, night vision, all done in a way that complements, rather than disrupts, the classic luxury feel. There's a reason the Cullinan continues to be the SUV of choice for royals, celebrities, and business moguls. It's not just about status, it's about substance. Every inch, every stitch, every detail of the 2025 Cullinan reflects obsession-level attention to detail. And yes, it comes at a price. The starting point is north of $375,000, but with customizations, it's not unusual to see Cullinans pushing $500,000 or more. But that's the point. The Cullinan isn't for every Enya, and it never intended to be. It's for those who demand the absolute best, in every sense. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan is not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a sanctuary, a moving palace that redefines what it means to travel in style. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. If you love the finer things on 4 wheels, hit that like button, subscribe for more ultra-luxury rides, and let us know in the comments what would your custom Cullinan look like.